There's so much care and attention given to everything that goes on in a kitchen, and one of the tools that you can use would be a timer. This is the brand Yuliist's 4-setting timer, and this is really cool because it allows you to track 4 different times at once and consolidate many of the different timers that you might have. For instance, one can be used for something you have baking in the oven, another can be used for dough that's rising on the other side. You can have one going for a soup, and you can have another one going for a sauce, all in one, so that's definitely handy. The way you can set this up is so cool. You can have it standing up like this, like an easel, or you can mount it to a wall, so it's very flexible in that regard. It's made from stainless steel, so it's also resistant to heat and spills, which is perfect for a kitchen, and it does not require any batteries. You plug it in and it's always charged, which is super great on top of that. It has a pretty loud alarm, so it's always hearable in the kitchen, although you can adjust the volume. It's very large and viewable from all the way across the room. It lets you save the times, adjust the times on the go. So overall, it's a really well-made timer that just comes in very handy for across many different recipes and applications.